We reached a system where you are looking at the precipice now. Why am I saying this? Because you see an erosion of the rule of law virtually everywhere, including in relatively democratic systems, because of the issues of the day. You have an issue today, you want to resolve it, and you are basically bending the rules so much that you are taking a risk with the rule itself. So when you're talking about constitutional principles, it's great that we have courts that would be able to remedy certain situations after the fact.
Yeah.
But we have two problems with that. One, the consequences of a majority decision can be incredibly severe before you can remedy it. That's a huge issue. For example, if you removed the right to having an abortion, or if you remove the right to vote for certain people, or if you removed certain protections for religious freedoms for certain people, that would have immediate severe effects, disruptions again. And the other problem that we have is that we don't know that the courts will actually reverse course. Why am I saying that? Because there are more and more research now showing that courts tend to ultimately uphold the majority view, even though there are certain principles. And you see that in many different aspects, including in EU law, by the way. You have seen what is called the Geopolitical Commission. And it's interesting to see that they're bending the rules as well. And they're relying, for example, it's technical, but they're relying on an article that is for financial emergencies between countries, which is called Article 122, to do all kind of things, to push for all kind of things that they cannot do because they don't have consensus.